Hi, thanks for tuning in. Special guest here today. Well, I'm the guest because we're at Dalut Singh, Chef Dalut Singh's house. You might remember Dalut from the Woodlands Bar and Grill blogs that I made a few years ago.
Maybe 3 years.
Yeah, and thank you very much for the opportunity to come and see a beautiful veg garden. We'll have a look at the vegetables in a minute.
Yeah.
And you're going to be cooking some traditional Himalayan food.
Yeah, this is called a chancheri.
Excellent, I can't wait.
Yeah. So actually this is a Barnyard millet. This is called our Uttarakhand Jhangora.
Barnyard millet.
Yeah. And this is a buttermilk.
Homemade?
Homemade, yeah. This is called our country Mattha. And our Uttarakhand calling this chas. This is desi ghee.
Desi ghee.
Yeah.
The best.
So this is a Barnyard millet. Some people call sama rice.
Good for the plants.
Yeah. Then soak it 10 minutes. Little bit turmeric powder. Keep stirring. Dhania powder.
Coriander.
Jeera powder, yeah.
Cumin. So is this a breakfast dish or lunch or dinner?
Basically breakfast, lunch.
More haldi. So can I test my Hindi?
Yeah.
So, curry pata,
Curry pata, yes.
dhania,
Dhania,
saunf,
saunf, yeah.
ajwain,
Ajwain. And this one,
fenugreek,
methi dana.
methi,
Methi dana.
dana seed,
Yeah.
and
This is-
till.
The English name is wild mustard.
Ah, wild mustard. Looks
Yeah.
wild. And we've got some mirchi, namak, haldi, dhania, jeera,
Yeah.
garam masala, and
Kala namak.
kala namak,
Yes.
black salt.
This,
Hing, asafoetida,
Yeah.
or devil's dung.
yeah.
So this is the barnyard millet, which is the main ingredient. So that looks lovely and bright from the turmeric.
So now add sama rice.
So that's the barnyard millet.
Very quick and easy recipe.
So are you going to make a tadka or a taka
Yes. When this finish, then make tadka.
for tempering?
Yes.
Do you do a lot of cooking as well?
Oh man, yeah, too much.
Yeah.
I get hungry a lot. Been cooking since about 5.
Wow.
Today I make tadka, our Uttarakhand style. You know what call this?
A ladle or taka spoon?
Karchi. This called a karchi.
Back home they're cold, so they don't have a separate pan to make the tadka. So they just do it in that, like over
Interesting.
the fire,
Yeah.
just mix it.
Cut down on cost.
Well, they have no cost, they have no money.
No.
Yeah.
And see, bit of ghee. Use mostly mustard oil
Yes.
because there is very cold. Na?
Like trying to blow out a
So-
birthday candle.
See, this is a jakia. You know, I remember my childhood when my grandmother making this. I'm too far away my house. Then I smell it. And then
Wow.
coming and then
Wow. Like the Bisto kids.
yes.
So what's the name of this dish?
This is called our Uttarakhand chancheda. Some people is calling chancheda. Some people call it chanchi. Chanchi. It's called
Chanchi.
chanchi. Yes.
So it's like a dal, but it's made from millet.
So Steve now add cucumber.
Fresh from the garden.
Yes. You can put green chili as well. So turn off and So now add coriander.
Ripped by hand.
Yeah. This look like curry, but this is a curry big version. You can eat with bread, roti, chapati, rice.
So, time for the taste test.
Yes.
So the dish is surprisingly simple and surprisingly very, very tasty. I think in England we often complicate recipes and put too many ingredients in. This is really, really simple, and it's great to taste some authentic flavours of the Himalayas.
What's name this?
Like, it's a hard one to remember.
Chanchedi.
Chanchedi.
What?
Chanchedi.
चिंचेडी। तो धन्यवाद देखने के लिए। आज मैंने अपने गोरे दोस्त को भी चंचेडी खिला दी। Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah.